Okay, guys. Put the last bolt out, and is that lube? It is a little bit of lube. It's not that bad at all. It's lube a little bit. It's not that bad at all, man. Yeah, it's lube. I'm gonna put some of my own lube in there because this engine. Okay, guys. So I'm in the military, right? And so in the military, in the army for sure, you have to go through. If you're active duty, you have to go through like a safety so and so course to drive a motorcycle. And hopefully with this right here, I can just bypass all of that. And cause like I see people on YouTube, they're running their bike for like 1,000,000 miles. I don't know how the hell you get 1,000,000 miles out this motor, but it is possible if you maintain it. But I feel like after damn near 70 miles or 100 miles, you should have to rebuild that cylinder wall, put a new cylinder and put new shits inside of it. Cause that's just how a two-stroke is. You just rebuild a two-stroke. That's the downfall of two-stroke, man. But apparently people are getting really good miles out of this thing. My goal of this thing is just make it is just to turn it into like a project on my YouTube. Cause I'm not trying to sound desperate or anything, but I need to acquire viewers, and I feel like this is like one. I already do this. I do this shit on the side. It does have a gasket. Okay, I do this on the side, but shit. I want to start recording it because I know like at the end of the day, it's not for the money. Because I'm an amateur YouTuber, so I know it's not for the money. But I feel like I think it's an interesting people show their experiences on YouTube. Anyway, yeah, guys. I'm not really know. I don't know how to say this name, but I put it on the yeah. But this is the engine. Let me go ahead and show you ad on Amazon as I always do. Uh, that's the ad on Amazon. How much is it going for? 139 is Prime. 2 day shipping. You can't beat that, man. You cannot beat that. 2 day shipping on something like this right here, man. And you see the bonus things included. Let's try to zoom in on it. The bonus things included. Right there, the bonus things included. And I can also show you guys the bike that I built. Not built, but the one I put the engine kit in. Uh, the one I was trying to put it, the one I put the engine kit in. Yeah. I put the little bench seat on it. It looks pretty nice. Yeah, two stroke. These two strokes are really nice. One thing I do want to get on the two stroke is a boost bottle, man. That's one thing I really want to do. Maybe even the exhaust. I don't want to put too much money in this right here, man. Cause like I buy these projects and then I sell them, I buy them. So yeah, I don't want to put too much money in this shit. But yeah, man. Next paycheck, give me a nice little beach cruiser, man, and something that I know like that's nice. Cause if you, like I said, you go online and buy these beach cruisers, man. Some of them have warped rims, and if you're trying to run this kit, you can't have no doggone warped rim. It's just not. Last thing you want is a bent rim, man. Um, like I know there's a such thing as a budget bill, but sometimes you just want to get done with the. You want to spend money on the things that matter at the end of the day, and you know, it's best just to get a nice bike at the end of the day. Nothing gonna be wrong with it. Yeah, guys. All right, that's it for the video. I'm gonna keep you guys posted on the video build. All right, guys. Put this outside in the garage.